Hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are reverse searing a tri-tip on the Kamado Joe Jr. using the new sear plate. I can't wait. Our agenda is really simple. We're gonna reverse sear at 250. Then once we get to that internal temp of around 120 to 125, we're gonna crank up the heat to steak searing temperatures, lay down that sear plate, and get a nice sear on that tri-tip. I cannot wait for the taste test. Let's get into the details. All right, let's set up the Joe Jr. and talk about what we're gonna be doing. First, we're gonna be using the setup it comes with using the heat deflector. And you could use the regular grill grate to put your steak on or tri-tip on. But today we're gonna be using the cast iron sear plate that it comes with as an additional accessory, placed on the tri-tip as our cooking grid and allow that cast iron to heat up so it doesn't crack. And then we will take this off once we hit our internal temperature, and then we will lay this right on the Joe Jr. to get that searing. But what we're gonna do is use Jealous Devil, and I'm gonna bring it in, light this up, and get up to 250, and then we'll lay in all of our cooking grates and get going. One thing to add is I'm gonna be using only one small piece of wood chunk post oak on the Joe Jr. Don't need too much smoky flavor, and I've buried it inside the charcoal. Now we're getting the temperature up to 250. All right, y'all, we have our tri-tip here. We're going to trim it up. It's got some nice, the presentation side is really beautiful. We got a little fat cat that's hard, and we wanna remove that, and so that we can get to some good seasoning on here to adhere. So we're gonna remove that. Then after that, we're gonna use some duck fat spray, and then using this Operation Barbecue Relief, it's called Santa Marie steak seasoning, and that's traditional for tri-tip. So if you follow my channel, you know I like trying different rubs, and this is one we're trying today, and I can't wait to do it. So I'm gonna bring you in, trim and season, and get it on the grill. All right, friends, you've seen how much fat we've taken off the fat cap. Now there's some silver skin here that is gonna be chewy, so we're gonna try to remove that, and then we are gonna season this and be ready to go. All right, friends, we got the Joe Jr. up to that 250 to 300, and now we're gonna put the cooking grid in, and that's gonna absorb a lot of heat to bring it back down to 250. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this whole system in the Joe Jr. There we go. And what's cool about this sear plate, it has slotches for the grid that it comes with, and that sits right in there. And that's gonna come back down to that 250. Then we're gonna bring in the tri-tip and put it on the Joe Jr. All right, y'all, today we are using the Meat Stick wireless thermometer. It comes with this Wi-Fi bridge. You connect it to your app. You could be running errands and checking the temperature, which is pretty great. So we're gonna go ahead and put this tri-tip right on the sear plate because we want that sear plate to rise in temperature slowly. And then we're just gonna take the Meat Stick wireless probe and do it right in the middle, kind of a, there we go. Make sure I don't poke through. And then I'll set up the app, and then we will go from there to monitor the temperature. Now I moved it the other 45 degrees, another 30 seconds. This is hot. All right, friends, we're gonna flip. Oh yeah, my friends. Nice sear. Look at that finished touch right there. So good. Bring you in so you can see what this looks like. Amazing sear at the end. Love the coloring. We are going to slice into this. And we want to make sure we're cutting it the right direction with the grain. So go right down here. Oh yeah. Nice juice coming out of that, really tender and red in the middle. Do a little slice, baby slice. Right here. Wow. Holy moly. Wow. I am not joking. That might be my favorite and best tri-tip I've cooked so far. That Santa Maria rub, man, that was incredible flavor and just the tenderness of bringing it to 120 to 125 and then searing it to getting up to like 130, 135. Man, it's so tender and juicy. I'm gonna get off here real quick so I get this to my family. But man, friends, if you like videos like this, like, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons, check out all the videos so you don't miss any recipes and any videos each week. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see and what you thought of this cook. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue, and we'll see you next time.